Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your playlist on Spotify. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, go ahead and tap on your library at the bottom right of your screen. Select the plus icon at the top right of your screen. Tap on Playlist. Now you can go ahead and tap on Create. Tap on Add to this playlist. Now you can add the song of your choice by tapping on the search bar at the top of your screen. Type in the title of the song that you want to add to your playlist. Tap on the plus icon right beside the song. You can do this to as many songs that you like. Once you're done, tap on the arrow at the top left of your screen. And that's it. This is how you create your playlist on Spotify. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.